Ka College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong haka arpundru terik nailur. Kelas dang ban Rakhe ya ke jingdap dripo snem Diamond Jubilee jongka haka jingalang ke balalong hapo auditorium jongka college. Haka ni ka program layadon langru menteri katnat pulia puti ke sorkar jela urakam sangma kum ukongsan. Haba keren haka jingalang puli ya ke ni ke jing Rakhe uni menteri ula perto ya ke jing aji syakri jong ke ni ke jaka puli kabala penmi daki hajar-hajar ngut kino hikai kiba aji syakri haka liang ka pulia puti badru banlong kerensan na ke benta ban pentebet haka bayade barkarukum aji hikai. Nalor kata ula ongru bada ka jingkiu syaprang jong ka jing start technology kibriu kilashania haka haki benta bapher kumta ula kentu yaki nong pule ban pendon kam ya ka jing start tenrai ka jongki bat ban but haka bayade bat ka jing pendon kam ya ka jing start technology. Da ka bapen pau bakalawe jong ka imlang ka salang ka jela bar ka pateng ka banwan ka dei ka balas pensyong nong rem lang baki nong hikai uni menteri ula kentu yaki nong pule bakin syem ya ka jingkit kle bar ka jingkut jingmut ban pentikna ba iwei pa iwei kin long kit khot basaiso hapo ka imlang salang. Haka ni ka program nakaliang ukongsan harengkat ki weipat ki he ki han kilaya shim bentaru haka jing penlai ya ulogo bat team jong ka ni ka jing Rakhe Diamond Jubilee ki weipat ki balayawan shim benta haka ni ka program ki kentubru ya uba HM Shangpliang advisor katanan education uba WL Lingdo IAS retired but president jong ka college governing body Dr. MA Jerwa Principal College of Teacher Education PGT nalor ki weipat.
As our president has already stated, more than 3,000 trained teachers, trained individuals has been produced from these institutions. So I wish that these institutions continue to serve the community, the state, the country with their students. So it sees the small mind talk about problems and the issue. The great individual, the great people discuss about the ideas and the policy. So I think why we are here today, here to learn, to be as a professional on our commitment. So my best wishes to all the future teachers of the state. As we have seen the history of this college in last 60 years, we see lots to be, many has been done, but lots to be done in the days to come. As a government, we will certainly look into the matter. We understand the issues, and with Madam Principal, we were just discussing how to improve, how to make things happen for the greater, better of our people. But for today, the challenge for us is, should we depend on all this? But to me, certainly not. If we just depend on technology and the computer science, these things will replace our natural intelligence. And we will not be having the natural intelligence stored in our minds and our brains. Therefore, this is a generation that we should really, as institutions, we should really update ourselves to get the best brand of natural intelligence. Now, it's a time today not to learn about technology and all this artificial intelligence. Our children, our young people, they learn because they become the part of life. I think many parents are aware. Our young children, from 10 years, 8 years, even 2 years, 3 years, they know how to use the smartphone, the computer science. They don't need to teach. But today our institutions have to teach the ideas how to control our children, how to control this technology. How we don't need to learn how to use the technology, no. But now we have to learn beyond one stage, ahead than technology. We have to learn now how to control the technology. Let all these factors give challenge to each one of us. We have to go down what's really happened. Therefore, my request each one of us, as a government, because as a government we get the ideas from the expert. Who are the expert? Educator, educationists are the expert. Because the best asset is in store in the educationists.
This is our concern, not only about the city to Shillong, it's the same issue with the Tura, and also this is the issue of the entire state. Look, it's just a 50, so it's not enough. Look, 100 of our students are going to the West Bank, Bihar, to the state. All this, I think it's a need of the hour. We will certainly give it. We will work with the NCT, and we will certainly will give the proposal to increase another set of batch for this both Tura and the Shillong.
How much you are proposing?
No, it means another batch means another 50 seats should be increased. What I feel. So we will put up the proposal, and also we will work out with NCT for due process. 18,000 we are working out. We are working out with IGNU and the NEOS. So we have written to them. So we are waiting their communication. And on top of that, because with the new curriculum under the NEP, with the new curriculum, new textbook, new design, in the month of January and February, we'll be having the extensive, massive training, short-term training, means refresher courses for all the teachers of the state, so that for the new academic session to be started from February 2023, they will be trained. So we want to go ahead with that, because there is a teacher who will really bring the change. So look, we have already passed in the parliament, in the assembly. We are waiting for the Honorable Governor assent, and most likely the Williamson State University academic will start from 2024 with some department from the next academic session with some postgraduate courses.
So what is the status of the State Education Commission?
It is already, they are on the job. They are on the job, and yes, it is definitely we are waiting for their suggestion, their recommendation. We are expecting the positive outcome that will give the expert opinion in redesigning our policies, our ideas.